Hey everyone, today I would like to discuss about how the planetary gear works for the Caterpillar 773 50-ton payload hauler truck. The CAT 773 is a rigid frame off-highway haul truck designed for mining and quarry operations. In this module, we will examine how the planetary final drive multiplies torque and delivers power to the wheels. Now let's dive into the details of planetary gear operations. Planetary gears are one of the most important components in the drivetrain. They enable the hauler to move massive loads while delivering high torque to the wheels. Understanding how this system works helps operators, technicians, and maintenance personnel better understand machine performance and reliability. Planetary gears play a critical role in enabling Caterpillar haul trucks to move massive payloads safely and efficiently. Why planetary gears are needed? A haul truck engine produces power at relatively high speed. However, the wheels require very high torque and lower rotational speed to move heavy loads upgrades through rough terrain and across mining operations. Simply connecting the engine directly to the wheels would not provide enough pulling force. This is where planetary gears come in. The planetary gear system reduces speed while multiplying torque, allowing the truck to move heavy loads efficiently. Planetary gear arrangements are widely used because they provide high torque capacity in a compact design and distribute loads across multiple gears. A planetary gear consists of four main components. First, the sun gear. Located at the center, the sun gear receives input power from the differential or axle shaft. Second, the planet gears. These gears surround the sun gear and rotate around it. Third, the planet carrier. The carrier supports the planet gears and transfers output torque. And fourth, the ring gear. The ring gear surrounds the entire assembly and contains internal gear teeth that mesh with the planet gears. Together, these components form a compact and highly efficient gear reduction system. The planetary gear arrangement gets its name because the gears resemble planets orbiting around the sun. When the sun gear rotates, it drives planet gears. Each planet gear performs two motions simultaneously. It rotates on its own shaft and also revolves around the central sun gear. Because the planet gears mesh with the ring gear, the motion is controlled and converted into useful output torque. In many haul truck wheel end designs, the ring gear remains fixed while the carrier becomes the output member. As the carrier turns, it delivers power directly to the wheel hub. This arrangement reduces speed and significantly increases torque. Let us see how torque multiplication occurs. Imagine the input shaft rotating at high speed. The sun gears transfers this motion to the planet gears. Because the ring gear is fixed, the planet gears must walk around the inside of the ring gear. This causes the carrier to rotate more slowly than the input shaft. Although speed decreases, torque increases. This principle allows the wheel to generate the tremendous pulling force needed to move a fully loaded 50-ton haul truck. Multiple planet gears share the load simultaneously, reducing stress on individual gear teeth and improving durability. On a 50-ton haul truck, planetary gears are typically located at the wheel ends. Power travels from the engine through the transmission and differential. The axial shaft then delivers rotational power into the planetary gear assembly located inside the wheel hub. At the wheel hub, the planetary gears provide the final reduction stage. This final reduction dramatically increases wheel torque while reducing rotational speed. As a result, the truck can start smoothly from a standstill, climb grades, and carry heavy payloads without excessive strain on the drivetrain. Wheel and planetary reducers are commonly used in high-torque hub drive systems because they provide substantial torque multiplication in a compact package. Planetary gear systems offer several important advantages: high torque capacity, compact construction, excellent load distribution across multiple planet gears, improved durability, and high efficiency and reliability. These benefits make planetary gears ideal for heavy equipment such as haul trucks, loaders, dozers, excavators, and mining machinery. Regular inspection is essential to maintain planetary gear performance. Maintenance personnel should monitor gear oil condition, oil level, metal contamination, bearing wear, gear tooth damage, seal condition, abnormal noise or vibration. Early detection of wear helps prevent major drivetrain failures and extends component life. Let us summarize. A planetary gear system consists of a sun gear, planet gears, carrier, and ring gear. The system reduces speed and multiplies torque. In a 50-ton haul truck, planetary gears are commonly installed in the wheel end hubs as the final drive reduction stage. Their compact design, high torque capacity, and load sharing characteristics make them ideal for heavy mining applications. Regular inspection of lubrication, bearings, seals, and gear teeth helps prevent failures and maximizes component life. Understanding how planetary gears work helps operators and technicians maintain equipment reliability, improve troubleshooting skills, and support safe and efficient operations. Thank you for completing this training module.